a science experiment in which we will mix vinegar and baking soda to produce carbon dioxide and use it to inflate a balloon. So for this experiment we will need a bottle, some vinegar and baking soda and a balloon and a spoon. So that is all that we'll be needing. First, let's pour some vinegar into the bottle by using. Now I'm adding some vinegar to the bottle. We want to fill a quarter. Now I'm adding some baking soda to the balloon. Now I will
fall.
Now when I lift the balloon and when it will mix with vinegar, it will clean. A chemical reaction will start with the. So yes. So as can you see, the water is filled. Okay. So as can you see,
Wow, the balloon is being filled. If you capture it, you can see that there is intense pressure and experiment is good, awesome. Why this happened? Explanation?
because when the vinegar, which is an acetic acid, will mix with baking soda, which is sodium bicarbonate, they will form carbon dioxide, water and a type of salt. So it will help the balloon to fill up with carbon dioxide gas.
Great. Thank you so much, Ahmad Sohail.